Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. Today I'm going to be review about Beauty Charms menipedi kit. Let's started. Beauty Charms menipedi kit includes 5 steps.
Beauty Charms menipedi first step is exfoliating cleanser. Cleanser improves the texture of the skin of your feet and hand, brightens and lightens dark nails, prevents the formation of hard skin or calluses. Apply to the hand as well as the arm in an upward massaging motion. Add a little water to emulsify. After 10 minutes massaging, clean with sponge or rinse with water. Beauty Charms menipedi kit second step is bleaching. Hydrating bleaching boosts blood circulation and soothes tired, eases pain, removes dirt and dead skin cells, relaxes your feet, hand and mind, and lighten your skin. Add 1½ tablespoon of Vol 20 and ½ teaspoon of Blonder. Mix both of them very well. Apply on your hand for 1520 minutes. After 20 minutes, remove it. Beauty Charms menipedi kit third step is exfoliating scrubs. Scrubs remove dead skin cells, reduce calluses, improve circulation, relieve muscle tension from standing or walking all day long, and soothe tired muscles. Apply generously on wet skin. Massage in circular motion, focusing on rough area, and rinse. For best results, daily use Beauty Charms exfoliating scrub. Beauty Charms menipedi kit fourth step is mask. Mask removing impurities and soothing. This mask cleanses and moisturizes tired feet and hand, and leaving them purified and healthier. Apply mask on your hand and leave them for 15 minutes. Beauty Charms menipedi kit fifth step is whitening serum. Whitening serum is an anti-aging formulation to give moisture and elasticity to skin while helping to restore the skin's youthful complexion. It will leave your skin feeling smooth and refreshed. Cleanse your hand before apply. Shake well before use. Pour a few drops on your palm. Start picking a very small amount from your palm, using your fingertips to apply a very thin layer on your entire skin.